I'm Amit Mane and today we are going to discuss the topic related to discrete mathematics. So, the topics are the first topic is semigroups, then monoids, homomorphism of semigroups, homomorphism of monoids. So, first of all, we will see the semigroups. So, let's see what is the semigroups. To understand semigroups, we have to know, first of all we have to know about the algebraic system. Consider a system which contains a non-empty set and n array operations performing on that set is nothing but the algebraic system. So let's see what is semigroups. Let S be a non-empty set and star be the binary operation on S, then the algebraic system S comma star is called semigroups if it satisfies the two properties. So the first property is closure property and the second property is the associative property. So closure property is nothing but consider any two elements that belongs to S, then the perform the binary operation between the two numbers, so the result should also belongs to the same uh, non-empty set. This is nothing but the closure property. Associative property, for any three elements a comma b comma c where a comma b comma c belongs to S, a star in bracket b star c is equal to in bracket a star b star c. So note, semigroups may and may not have an identity element with respect to operation. Let's discuss an example related to semigroup. Consider a algebraic system a comma star where a is the set of positive odd integers and star with the binary operations means multiplication. So this algebraic system should satisfy the two properties, that is the closure property and the associative property. If it satisfies these two properties, then this algebraic system is called as semigroup. So let's see how it satisfies the condition. So if we'll take any two positive integers, odd integers, then the product of these integers will also give us an odd integer, so it is also belongs to A, therefore it satisfies the closure property. The associative property, since every a comma b we c belongs to A, so we perform the in bracket a star b bracket complete star c is equal to in bracket a star a star in bracket b star c. This both LHS is equal to RHS, therefore it satisfies the associative property. Hence the given algebraic system a comma star is a semigroup. Monoids. So let's study what is monoids. Let M be a non-empty set and star be the binary operation on S and E be the identity element, and then the algebraic system M comma star comma the E is called monoid if it satisfies three properties. So we have studied closure property, associative property, and here is the third property, that is the identity property. So regarding multiplication the identity element is 1 and regarding addition the identity element is 0. So let's see what is the identity property. For any element A belongs to M, there exists an identity element. So A star E is equal to E star A, it gives the same element A. This is the identity property. Let's discuss the example related to monoids. The example is, consider an algebraic system w comma plus, where w is the set of whole numbers and plus be the addition operation. So as we have discussed the closure property, associative property, it satisfies both the property. Now majorly we have to see the third property, that is the identity property. So here for addition the identity element is 0, hence it satisfies the identity property also. Hence the given algebraic system w comma plus is a monoid. Let's see homomorphism of semigroups. Let S comma star and T comma delta be two groups. A mapping from G of S to T is a homomorphism if for any A comma B belongs to S. So G in bracket A star B is equal to G of A delta G of B is called as homomorphism of semigroups. Let's see homomorphism of monoids. Let m comma star comma identity element and t comma delta comma identity element be two groups. A mapping G of m to 2 is a homomorphism if for any a comma b belongs to m, G of a star b is equal to G of a delta G of b, then G of identity element of m, that is the first group, is equal to the identity element of second group, is called as homomorphism of semigroups. Thank you.